Do you want to know how you can auto-confirm all requests on threads? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can auto-confirm or confirm all the requests you have on threads. Go ahead and open Threads app, which is on your phone. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and tap on this love button, and if you scroll a bit down, you can see that requests are there. Now, if you want to see all of the requests, go ahead and tap on requests, and you can confirm it by tapping on confirm individually, or you can tap approve all, and then you can notice that all of the requests had been confirmed automatically. This was a video on how you can auto-confirm all requests on threads. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.